In a historic move towards modernizing Ghana's law enforcement capabilities, the Ghana Police Service has unveiled its much-anticipated airwing, complete with operational helicopters and trained pilots. On December 5, 2024, 2 helicopters from this new unit were deployed to monitor the final rallies of the New Patriotic Party and the National Democratic Congress at Legon and Medina. This milestone marks the culmination of years of planning and commitment to strengthening the service's operational efficiency. So today, we'll be delving deeper into this establishment of the Ghana Police Service unit. Stick to this video to the end as we inform you on this riveting information. Also, before we begin, be sure to hit the like button as it helps inform other people as well. So, the establishment of the airwing, which was announced in 2021 by Inspector General of Police James Bueno, signifies a strategic step towards equipping the Ghana Police Service to tackle modern crime challenges. Funded by the government and led by the Chief of Staff, Akosua Frema Osei-Pare, this initiative underscores the government's dedication to enhancing security and ensuring the safety of Ghanaians. The vision to create an airwing for the Ghana Police Service dates back to 2019, when the IGP first announced plans to expand the service's operational scope to include aerial surveillance. This need arose from the increasingly sophisticated and complex nature of crime, as well as calls to modernize law enforcement. In response, the government pledged to procure 3 helicopters to support the establishment of this new unit. At the 2021 National Police Command Conference, IGP Bueno revealed that the construction of a 514 square meter hangar had been completed at the police depot in Accra. The facility, located near the formed police unit, is capable of accommodating up to 4 helicopters. However, it took additional time for the arrival of the helicopters and the full establishment of the airwing. The airwing is not only a testament to the government's commitment to modernizing the police service, but also a significant step towards addressing Ghana's security challenges. The introduction of this new unit is expected to enhance the police capacity to combat crime, provide aerial support during critical operations, and respond effectively to emergencies. The airwing features state-of-the-art facilities and highly trained personnel, making it a vital addition to Ghana Police Service's operational capacity. The centerpiece of this development is the 514 square meter hangar, which has been built to international standards to house up to 4 helicopters. The helicopters, equipped with advanced surveillance and communication systems, are designed to support a wide range of policing activities, from crowd monitoring during public events to tracking criminal activities and conducting search and rescue operations. The airwing significantly broadens the scope of Ghana's police operations. Additionally, the airwing is staffed by 6 police officers who have undergone rigorous aviation and flying training in South Africa. This specialized training ensures that the unit operates with professionalism and efficiency, further enhancing its capacity to deliver on its mandate. The establishment of the airwing is poised to have a transformative impact on Ghana's security landscape. By providing aerial support, the unit enhances the police service availability and ability to prevent and respond to crime effectively. The deployment of helicopters during major events, such as this final rallies of the NPP and NDC, demonstrates the critical role this unit plays in maintaining law and order. The airwing is also expected to contribute to public safety in emergency situations, including national disasters, large-scale accidents, and other crises requiring rapid response. This addition to the police service strengthens the government's capacity to protect citizens and maintain peace, fostering a sense of security amongst the populace. The operational efficiency brought about by the airwing has the potential to attract further investments in law enforcement, positioning Ghana as a model for innovative policing in the region. The successful establishment of the airwing is as a result of the collaborative efforts between the Ghana Police Service and the government. Spearheaded by the Chief of Staff, Akosua Frema Osei-Pare, the government's procurement of helicopters and investments in the aviation training for police officers demonstrates a long-term commitment to strengthening law enforcement. IGP Bueno emphasized the importance of this collaborative effort during the launch of the initiative in 2021, noting that the airwing represents a significant milestone in modernizing the police service. He highlighted that this unit will play a crucial role in enhancing public confidence in the police force while addressing Ghana's evolving security challenges. This airwing is not just an addition to our resources, it's a bold step towards ensuring the police service is equipped to serve and protect in a rapid changing world, the IGP remarked. The airwing has been designed with sustainability and long-term functionality in mind. The 514 square meter hangar ensures adequate capacity for future expansions, while the advanced equipment on the helicopters guarantees versatility and operations. Moreover, the government has committed to providing ongoing support, including maintenance of the helicopters and continuous training for pilots and support staff. This initiative sets a precedent for modern law enforcement in Ghana and serves as a model for other African nations seeking to enhance their policing capabilities by integrating advanced technology and specialized training. The airwing underscores the importance of forward-thinking investments in national security. Beyond immediate operational benefits, the airwing adds a unique dimension to the Ghana Police Service's capabilities. The helicopter's versatility allows them to support diverse missions, ranging from border surveillance to humanitarian aid delivery, as a vital asset to national development, extending its impact beyond traditional policing. Furthermore, the airwing creates opportunities for further collaboration and international partnerships in areas such as disaster management, counter-terrorism, and regional security initiatives. The specialized training provided by officers also opens doors to knowledge sharing and capacity building within the West African sub-region. The unveiling of the airwing marks a new era in policing for Ghana. During the deployment of the helicopters for the NPP and NDC rally, the presence of aerial surveillance added a sense of assurance to both event organizers and attendees. This milestone is a celebration of progress, innovation, and dedication of the police service to serving the nation. As the airwing fully becomes operational, it will continue to symbolize Ghana's commitment to modern, effective, and responsive law enforcement. The government has urged all stakeholders to support the sustainability of this initiative, ensuring that it remains a pillar of public safety for generations to come. The establishment of the Ghana Police Service Airwing is a significant achievement in the country's quest to modernize its law enforcement capabilities. With the state-of-the-art helicopters, a dedicated hangar, and a team of highly trained officers, the airwing is poised to revolutionize policing in Ghana. This project not only enhances the police service's ability to combat crime, but also demonstrates the transformative power of strategic investments in security infrastructure. As the airwing takes flight, it serves as a beacon of progress, resilience, and innovation, setting a new standard for law enforcement in Ghana and beyond. Let me know your thoughts about the establishment of the airwing and the recent operation where it oversaw the NDC and NPP rally. If you like contents like this also, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel, as we always bring you riveting content. Check out this video next on other amazing projects happening right here in Ghana. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this video out.